Welcome to my next video of the video series Python for Beginners. So in this video I'll give you a brief about how to install Python in your system. So for the Windows, Ubuntu or Mac, you can find a downloadable file in the Python's official website, and over there you can download the latest version. And when you get the exe or tar file, you can install it as per your system. So for the Windows it will be .exe file, and for the Mac it will be tar file, and for the Ubuntu I think it's also a tar file. The extension might differ, but for the Windows the step is straightforward. You just need to click on next, but just make sure whenever you are uh, installing in Windows, then on the first screen of the setup you need to make sure that you select add to path option. Okay, this is a very important thing to make sure, so make sure that you do it. Okay, and because what this add to path do is key, it adds your Python in your environment variables, so that you don't have a need to go again in the environment variables and add the path manually why after installing your Python. Okay, you need the path in the your environment variables, so that whenever you run a Python program in your terminal, your system knows where to pick that file from, not the executable file but the Python file. Okay, apart from downloading it from the official website, in the case of Ubuntu and Mac, you can also download it using the system commands. Okay, so in Ubuntu and Mac you can use your command prompt very wisely and use all the commands that you can, so that you can install Python in those systems, in those operating systems. Okay, now I'll tell you ways how you can find all these things. So I have already picked up two websites. So this is the Python's original official website. To go here you just need to type download Python for Windows and just select the first link that comes up, and you can download it from here. For other operating systems you can select Linux, so you will get all the downloadable files over here. So this is a stable version, and here you can find the resources to download it. Okay, and for the executable files that you can not the executable files, and for the part how you can install it using the command prompt in the Ubuntu or Linux, you can visit DigitalOcean's webpage. So to get here, just type install Python in Ubuntu terminal, and you will get it over here. Where is it? Yeah, this DigitalOcean link. And when this link open up, just scroll down and start from this step, sudo apt update. Okay, step 1, setting up Python 3. So this is for Ubuntu. Okay, and if you want to install it in Mac, just type install Python in Mac using brew. So first of all you need to have a homebrew installed in your Mac system, and then you just come to this homebrew documentation file and just type this command. Okay, and there are multiple commands underneath as well. So this is for setting up the setup tools can be updated by pip. So this is for the updation of the setup tools, and this is for updating the pip. Okay, so yeah, this is more about installation of the Python in your system. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to me through comments, and I'll be able to guide you through it. Rest assured, we'll be moving on to our next lecture on variables and comments in the next video. Till then, have a nice day and good night. Bye.